Hey everyone, today in this video we will learn that how to make this kind of ink effect in CapCut application. Basically this is a very demanding effect and every client wants that हम इस तरह के designs उनके projects में create करें. So first of all we have to come on our CapCut application and here I will import all the essential items and then we will come on our timeline. Basically, I will set all the things here. First of all, my clip, then the ink clip. We can download this from Pinterest application and this red background. After doing this, first of all, we have to maintain their position as well as their scale. And then now you can see what we need to do. We just click on the red background. Then we will go on the blend mode and here I will click on screen. By doing this, simply you can see that half of the effect has done now, and then make a compound clip. Then we will go on the blend mode again and here I will choose the darken mode. Now white part is showing, so what we need to do is just crop this part to make it more natural. And now you can see that our ink effect is ready. And if you want to put this behind the project, then simply what you need to do is just copy your clip and then paste it again and then remove the background. Set this ink effect between both the clip. Now you can see it's ready, and for giving it more documentary kind of look, what I will do is just simply click on the animation and here I will choose the fade in animation to make it more natural, and then I will go on the effects option and here I will search for the dark night effect. I will put this effect into my clip and then change these settings. You can do it as per your own or you can copy my numbers also. How beautifully this effect is looking. It's really giving the documentary kind of vibe. To make it more authentic, what I will do, I'll just go on the audio section and here in sound effects, I will search the impact. And here you can see there are so many impact sound effects here. You can choose according to your liking. And here I will show you this sound effect. And now you can see with this sound effect, this clip is really looking very natural and very beautiful. So by doing this, you can create this kind of effects in your client's project as well as your own content. And if you find it helpful, then just hit the subscribe button for more authentic content like this. Now this is Sana Fatima signing this video off so that I can bring more valuable content to all of you.